Consumers have the right of choice of repair when they have the misfortune of an accident, but sometimes exercising that right of choice comes with some pushback from insurers when they choose a certified repairer or a reputable repairer. Why is that?
So what we've been seeing is a lot of insurers now are using word tracks or ways to intimidate the shop or ways to intimidate the consumer into believing that there's an alternative method in the repair process. And when, in today's world, with today's modern vehicle, the vehicle dictates what we have to do to it. So when we look at the word tracks, there are times where we see things that are pretty tough to read, where it's almost as if we're being accused of overcharging or supplying a repair method that the vehicle doesn't need, when in fact that's not our judgment call. That's directly from the manufacturer. So we hear a lot of overcharging. Okay, and that's not coming from our side, that's coming from the insurer side. So there's a lot of times that we read that and we're befuddled on how that could be something on our end, right?
Well, the complexity of these vehicles moving so fast, and we're chasing that complexity. So sometimes, what the insurer perceives as an overcharge is a proper charge, where a good number of shops aren't performing that because they're just simply not aware.
Well said. And a lot of repairers are still stuck in historical ways of repairing vehicles, and it's not just shops, it's insurers as well. So when we offer new modern ways of repairing vehicles that again are all coming from your original equipment or the manufacturer of your vehicle, a lot of times that they are varying because vehicles are so complex.
And so you say, as a consumer, what can you do? Well, the insurance company owes you at least an explanation of denial. And the suggestion may be to get a three-way meeting, a three-way phone call to walk through why they're denying certain things, and the shop then could defend why they're performing those.
Right. And, I think that when you, as the consumer, ask enough questions and research what the repairer is explaining to you, it's very quick that you can come to a conclusion on what needs to happen. And then you're making an informed choice as opposed to one that isn't, or based on just one opinion.
If you enjoyed this video, join SCRS. Like, share, and subscribe.